Too young, man. Too young.
I don't bang no more. Don't even trip with me, cause solo don't own none of you. I know what X was talking about. The hood was taking me under two. Had to go for self, had to get some help so I can help someone else. I found the truth